With winter officially here and recent winter seasons being milder than normal, I wanted to see if it ever got cold enough to freeze over any local body of water, but more specifically, if the Potomac River and or the Chesapeake Bay have ever been frozen for any length of time. Now, interestingly enough, both have, even though fresh water freezes at 32 degrees and seawater freezes at a cooler temperature of roughly 28 degrees because of the salt in it. Not only have both bodies of water been frozen at some point, but I found that there have been several instances of that occurring, going back to the late 19th century, when the Potomac River froze and people were able to ice skate from Alexandria to D.C. because of it. During the winter season of 1899-1900, a frigid air mass left Canada and dove all the way down to the deep south, where ice flows were reported at the mouth of the Mississippi River entering into the Gulf of Mexico. Wow. All right, another time the Potomac River significantly froze was in early 1912, when the prolonged chill turned large sections of the river into solid sheets of ice. Now, in January of 1977, part of the Potomac River near 14th Street Bridge, that was frozen to the point it became a massive ice skating rink. Now, when it comes to the Chesapeake Bay, that body of water has been documented as freezing over a good 7 times since 1780, one of which was the 1899-1900 winter season, along with February of 1936. At that time, the lower bay's salt water was so thick that Maryland State Police pushed sleds of food across the bay to help ice lock residents on Tangier and Smith's Island. You might be asking, Scott, this is cool and all, but when was both the Potomac and Chesapeake recently frozen over? Well, the answer to that was the 2017-2018 winter season from late December into early January. From the DC News Now studio, I'm meteorologist Scott Sumner.